about 50 kilometers away from Joy, after the confluence of Kupli River and Vaikarvi River. Yale Waterfalls is located. It is believed that Yale, the river god, lives in this place. His children ruled the erstwhile Jaintia kingdom during the prehistorical period. These beautiful waterfalls will be inundated when the Kupli hydroelectric power dam is full and will cover completely with water and will disappear forever.